Bed, Bath & Beyond will be reporting earnings today after market close. Is there a possible earnings trade for BBBY? Let's find out. But before we get started into the details, please do your own research prior to placing any trades. This is not a recommendation on trading either Bed, Bath & Beyond or any other security. Okay, let's get started. 11 of the 20 analysts have recommended a hold position in Bed, Bath & Beyond, with 5 analysts recommending a buy and 3 analysts suggesting selling the stock. The sell rating has remained at 3 over the past 90 days, but the hold rating has declined slightly from 14 analysts recommending a hold position 90 days ago. Similarly, the buy rating has gone up from 3 analysts 90 days ago to 5 currently. While the overall rating has remained at hold for the previous 90 days, there seems to be a slight improvement in the number of analysts who are recommending a buy and hold position in the stock. However, when looking at the 12-month price target, there doesn't seem to be any exciting opportunities. The price target range for the next 12 months is $24 on the high end to $10 on the low end, with an average price target of $14.90. With the stock closing at $16.84 yesterday, the average price target is below its current stock price with a negative return of 11.52%. And if the lower price target is hit, the return will be even worse at 40.62%. Of course, if the stock price were to rise to a high target of $24, the return will be over 42%. But is that potential positive return worth the risk? Let's first look at the earnings. The expected EPS of 2 cents is a significant drop from the expected EPS from the same quarter last year, which was 17 cents, and the actual earning of 18 cents. Looking at the 12-month daily chart, the stock seems to have resistance at its current price and is also trading near the 2 standard deviation range, potentially suggesting a pullback. The price came down slightly on January 2nd, but has since gone up again. The stock has a high implied volatility, which is to be expected, with the market maker move prediction of $2.17 in either direction. January 10th options expiring this Friday is at almost 180%, showing an expected potential price movement of $2.32. The IV for options expiring next week on January 17 is at 114%, suggesting an IV collapse soon after the earnings have been released. With the current stock price at $16.84, the $2.32 expected move will put the price range between $19.16 on the high end and $14.52 on the low end. This range puts the option trade at around delta 18 to 20 based on yesterday's closing price. An iron condor with a $1 spread at delta 20 will generate 27 cents, which is a 27% return, provided both sides of the trade expires worthless. However, given the analyst's whole recommendation for the stock, and as the current price is above the 12-month average price target, combined with the price being at 2 standard deviation and hitting resistance, I have a bearish opinion on the stock in the short run. Therefore, I will not want to take a bull put position on the stock for this earning period, which leaves a bear call position at delta 18 to stay outside the expected move of $2.32. A $2.50 wide call spread will generate 18 cents, which is a 7.2% return in less than a week, if the position were to expire worthless. Given the weakness in the current price along with the analyst hold recommendations, I don't feel comfortable placing this trade. I think there are better opportunities in the market, especially with the earnings season starting next week. What do you think? Is Bed, Bath & Beyond worth trading prior to today's earning report or for a long-term investment? Do you have a position in Bed, Bath & Beyond? Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.